Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Wednesday, the 22nd of February. The euro recorded gains after the Eurozone finance ministers reached an agreement on Greece's second bailout yesterday. The Eurogroup agreed in a set of measures that are expected to cut the troubled nation's debt to 120.5% of gross domestic product by 2020. Private sector holders of Greek bonds will accept losses of 53.5% on the nominal value of their holdings. The financial aid of €130 billion by 2014 is subject to stricter conditions. A report put together by the European Union, European Central Bank and the International Monetary Fund highlights that Greece's woes are far from over and the bailout programme is accident-prone. Against the US dollar, the single currency advanced to 132.48 from 132.08, but failed to record a new high. Versus the British pound, the euro surged to 0.8390 from 0.8343. The US dollar was softer as moderate risk appetite motivates trading. Nevertheless, against the Japanese yen, the greenback maintained its February upwards trend, rising to 79.84 from 79.60. The Japanese have long waited for their currency to weaken, as its strength combined with the March 2011 earthquake put the nation's exporting economy into a very difficult position. It will be very interesting to see how the trend will evolve. The Australian dollar dropped to 106.72 from 107.24 against the US dollar. The Reserve Bank of Australia minutes were released yesterday, noting that rate levels were appropriate for the present economic environment. The British pound fell to 157.91 from 158.29 versus the US dollar. The Bank of England Monetary Policy Committee minutes for February meeting are due at 9:30 GMT today. Looking at commodities, we saw oil rose to $105.65 from $104.70 a barrel. Gold climbed to $1,757.11 from $1,733.41. Against the euro, gold advanced to €1,329.24 from €1,310.03, and silver jumped to $34.25 from $33.49 an ounce. Let's take a look now at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 131.75 with a preference to enter into long positions at 131.75. The dollar-yen pivot points at 79.50 with a preference to enter into long positions at 79.50. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 107 with a preference to enter into short positions at 107. The sterling dollar pivot points at 158.25 with a preference to enter into long positions at 158.25. And the dollar CAD pivot points at 0.9955 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9955. Looking at commodities, the oil pivot points at 104.70 with a preference to enter into long positions at 104.70. The gold pivot points at 1742 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1742. And the silver pivot points at 33.80 with a preference to enter into long positions at 33.80. And of course, for up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And on the calendar, the market movers are the EU manufacturing PMI for February, forecast to come out at 49.5. EU industrial orders month-on-month for December, forecast to rise by 0.7%. And US existing home sales for January, forecast to come out at 4.65 million. Now on to equities, we saw the FTSE down 0.29%, the DAX down 0.58%, and the CAC was down 0.21%. In the US, the SP 500 was up 0.07%, and the Dow was up 0.12%. In Asia at the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.96% and the Hang Seng was up 0.17%. It's been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.